Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2012 Ford Kuga Trend, stock reference number 4257. This shape runs from the 11th month 2011 through to the 11th month 2012. It has a HYDC 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol turbo engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. HYDC 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol turbo engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. We have the left-hand guard, which appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 17-inch alloy mags. The left front has an average tyre. Left power door mirror. Left front door has a few small dents, so good private buyer. Left rear door appears to have no damage. Left rear, 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left tail light. Tailgate appears to have no damage. It's got a Hayman and Reese 750 kilo rated tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and module. Right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has one small dent. Right front door appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror. And a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. We have the driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with grey cloth interior. It's got a grey vinyl centre console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, factory Sony single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster. Vehicle's done 125,000 Ks, and a tidy 4-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.